Now we are in the jointing room where we are jointing the two conductor cable on the NorNed. They are taping, doing the insulation. That's paper tapes impregnated in oil. And they put one-on-one tape and build up the insulation from the conductor up to the required diameter, just to keep the voltage on the cable.
That's 340 layers approximately with papers. That's the good thing with oil and paper, that mixture. A thin paper together with oil is the best, one of the best electrical insulators in the world. Is used for capacitors, for many different things. They found that out 100 years ago. So it's I mean that knowledge is very, very old. And that's, of course, all cables was like this before the plastic insulation started to be introduced in the 70s. But on this very high voltages, this is 450,000 volt. You cannot have plastic, it's not possible. It might happen in 50 years from now, but as of today you need paper insulated cables.
If they don't do this correct, we get a breakdown and no power between Norway and Netherlands. Just under here we have the conductor joint. After it has been welded, it is then impregnated with oil. We will open it afterwards and then start doing taping also on this part. We have to get out all the moisture we have got into while doing the welding. That's why we have to do the impregnating of the joint, because moisture is poison for the joint.
It's really dry in here, and that's necessary because you need to have a low moisture content in order to get a good quality joint. If you get moisture ingress into the joint, then the insulation will not be properly, so the joint will fail during operation. It has to be completely dry. It's a challenge. It's a big operation to do in the field. If you have a failure, you can keep from smiling. It has to operate. You have no friends if this one fails.